how to make TikTok videos in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make TikTok videos on CapCut. Firstly, open the CapCut app and import your video. Once the video is imported, start editing. There are various features available on CapCut which you can use to enhance your video. You can add sounds, sound effect, and many more. You can also add text to make better understanding about your video. Once that's all done, click on export at the top right corner. When you do this, then your video will start exporting. Once your video has been exported, you will see the option share to TikTok. Along with that, you can share this video to Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and many other social media platforms. As you can see, it directly connected to my TikTok to send me that video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.